Hi guys, welcome back with Rashid once again, and it's again lovely, beautiful morning. And guess what? We are at Ras Al Khaimah in Jabal Jesh. Came for a beautiful hike, and we are just refueling the car. We are gonna go for a beautiful, lovely hike in the early morning. Me and Abdullah and Saleh, my brothers, with me, and look at this beauty. It's windy. Once again, so much for your support, for your comments, for everything, guys. Once again, thank you so much. I'll show you the beautiful moon. If you can see the moon, wow, there you go. And it's the time for the sunrise. This is the beautiful Ras Al Khaimah Jabal Jesh, and yes, catch you at the mountains, guys. Guys, we have reached on the spot and we have parked the car, and we are going to put our shoes and run for the hike. It's a beautiful, amazing place. Early morning. This place is very beautiful. We are moving forward to a place. It's called Hidden Oasis, Ras Al Khaimah, which is very beautiful place, guys. Let's change and move towards the hike. Guys, I've changed my shirt. Is going to be hot too much. I've just put on white. It's morning 6. Let's see till what time we can come back. Are the goats, kettles for the locals. Never thought height of the mountain for hiking. The way I have to follow all the way till there. Let's see. Let's go. Amazing hike. If you're a starter or a beginner in hiking, it's impossible for you to cover all this place where I'm going now. Guys, if you can see, there's a beautiful cave over there. I wanted to go there, but I don't want to miss that spot. I think it's the sun is in the sunlight. Let's catch you on the next spot. Guys, it's the time for a take a break, and we're going to prepare a coffee. Then we are going to move forward. It's a very beautiful spot over here. Amazing. This is the place we are going to go after, and this is the beautiful cave, guys. It's a very amazing cave. We're just refreshing ourselves with water and some coffee, and we are going to go a little bit more to that beautiful spot, Hidden Oasis. The coffee is getting ready, and let's wait for it, yeah. Guys, the weather is hot and still way to go. That is the spot we need to go, on that top mountain. Still more to go. Hours we are hiking. Still did not reach. Place. It is irritating me. Allah is hot. Guys, this is a tree called wild fig tree, and oh no, you have the guys, this is the beauty of Jabal Jesh. Guys, this is the place what I was looking for. Just reached. Came all the way for this place. This is called Hidden Oasis. It's very beautiful. I've covered myself. It's too hot. I've removed my shirt. I cannot, because after 4 hours of hiking I reach at this point, and we'll take some 10 minutes, 15-minute rest, and we're going to go back. Guys, thank you for your support. Thanks for watching.
तो बच गए वल्ला क्या
Guys, to get this for hike, yeah, you need it. Otherwise, you go, yeah.
सारे वीडियो में सारे
Look at this guy. Are through what? Guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and appreciated everyone once again. Done with our exploring this beautiful mountain. and we are moving back to the car. We need to walk 4 hours again, because from morning 6 till 9:30 or 10 we reached here, and we are moving back, guys, because it's really very hot. I've removed my shirt. It's totally hot. Luckily we got some water from here, and we washed our face and refreshed ourselves. Now we are moving back. Catch you on the upcoming video. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, everyone. Whole way to go back still.